That's not that bad.
This is America, dude.
Crappy ass Broncos, the other one was showing. That looked like a Jessica.
So you're gonna drink it with some wine?
I was not about to eat that.
Oh, come on.
You want sorry.
Do one of you want to eat a chicken feet?
I'd really eat a chicken foot.
You would eat a chicken foot?
I don't want to.
You don't?
No. You know what? It can be on my list of things outside.
It can.
You stepped on my Jordans.
Do you want to do that tonight?
Yes, sir.
Let's do it.
Dude,
Finally, got
Let me go
someone.
give her her chance before she starts doing it.
Okay. You sure? You sure you don't want to eat a chicken foot?
if I was starving in a third world country, then I would eat a chicken foot. But seeing as I am quite well fed in a first world country, no. Also, I did see dinner right before.
Yeah. I mean, they don't really have a lot of meat on them. And they pretty much taste like chicken. Just
That would be my assumption.
yeah. I mean, they're chicken feet, so they taste like
It's really
chicken.
gelatinous. Have you eaten them yet?
Yeah. I was actually eating some before. The only problem that I have with them, honestly, is that they don't. Okay.